Your BuddyPress community is growing. Members are connecting, sharing, and building relationships. But here's the thing, many of your members are professionals, freelancers, business owners. They want more than a personal profile. Standard BuddyPress profiles show basic info, name, avatar, maybe a bio. But where do members list their services? How do they display business hours? Where are the customer reviews? Without business profiles, members go elsewhere to promote themselves. LinkedIn, Facebook, separate directory sites. Your community misses out on that engagement. Introducing BP Business Profile. It's a BuddyPress add-on that lets your members create professional business pages right inside your community. Think of it like Facebook business pages, but for BuddyPress. Here's what your members get. A step-by-step creation wizard that anyone can complete. A services tab to showcase offerings with pricing. Business hours with real-time, open now, status. A review system where customers leave star ratings and feedback. Full contact information with Google Maps integration. And a follow system that keeps visitors connected. All businesses appear in a searchable directory with category filters. BP Business Profile also integrates with your favorite plugins. OpenStreetMap provides free maps with no API key needed. WooCommerce adds a shop tab. The events calendar displays business events. WP Job Manager shows job listings. It works seamlessly with BuddyBoss platform too. Whether you're building a local business directory, a vendor marketplace, a professional network, or adding business profiles to your membership site, BP Business Profile gives you everything you need. Ready to transform your BuddyPress community into a professional business network? Visit our website to see a live demo, explore the features, and get started today.